So I am just north of Port Matilda, about 9 miles south of Unionville. And I've passed this a million times, but never stopped until, obviously, right now. This, I believe, is Martha Furnace. Yep, Martha Furnace. This iron ore furnace was in operation from 1830 to 1850. It was the central core of a small community which consisted of a store, blacksmith shop, lumber yard, post office, train station, cigar factory, and company houses. The iron ore produced here was hauled by horse and wagon to nearby Scotia and distant Pittsburgh. Wow, that's impressive.